Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some features from Edits app that will level up your Instagram Reels audio. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed this Edits application on your mobile phone. And this application is powered by Instagram guys. So we can use this Edits application to create Instagram posts or Instagram Reels. Okay, and to get this application, you can go to Play Store if you are Android user, and you can go to Apple Store if you are iOS user. And I'm going to open it. Then you can click on this menu, the projects menu, and click on this plus icon to start creating new project. And I'm going to use video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to select this video. Okay. And then I'm going to show you guys the feature that will level up your Reels audio. The first feature that I want to show you is a feature called Cut Silences. You can tap on your video like this, and then you're going to select Cut Silences feature, and it will remove silences from your video. Okay, and just hold on. The process will depend on your video duration, and it's still loading guys. And when we cut silences from our video, it will help us to make our video shorter, and of course it will be more effective. Okay, done. And now I have 3 minutes video. Before I cut the silences, I have 3 minutes and 30 seconds if I'm not mistaken. And the second feature that you can try to enhance your audio or your voice from your Instagram Reels is the feature called Voice Enhance. Again, you can click on your audio, and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find a Voice Enhance.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's
you can enhance your voice guys. You can reduce the noise until 100%.
I'm going to show you how you can create beat sync video editing using InShot video.
Alright, and now it's done. And yeah, this feature.
Hello guys, welcome back.
These features are so cool guys to level up your audio for your Instagram Reels. And don't forget to export it in the highest quality. Wait, you can change the quality to 4K right here, so it will create better audio quality for your Reels. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.